The masterpiece read aloud. Gong sounds by Nankichi Niimi. Rat-a-tat-tat. Gong sounds. At the village square late at night. Rat-a-tat-tat. A window opens. Sounds are heard everywhere. Rat-a-tat-tat. It's coming. Boomerangs and poison spears. Rat-a-tat-tat. Everyone came. The lions came here or fire. Rat-a-tat-tat. Let's dance. Because it's a moonlit night. Rat-a-tat-tat. The circle dances. In the moonlit square. Gong sounds by Nankichi Niimi. How did you feel about it? Please subscribe to our channel. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up.